Yo, 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 Mr. Green here. Just doing a quick lesson on leverage, margin, whatever you want to call it. Really just a simple concept of how to do more with less, right? So two of the most common fears that people have coming into trading and investing is the first, obviously, fear of losing money, right? That's the one we always get, fear of losing money. Okay, fear. F-A-I-R, not F-E-A-R in that context. Then the other one is fear of not having enough to get started. All right. So we've overcome, hopefully we've begun to overcome fear of losing money, right? Because if we apply proper risk management like stop losses and take profits and proper entries with bracket orders, okay, that will overcome that because we'll know the outcome of the trade before we get into it, whether it's for loss or for gain. So how to overcome the fear of not having enough to get started is you have to become open-minded. So can you be open-minded? All right, I'm going to take that as a yes. There's different assets in the markets that allow you to be able to do more with less. They provide more. Your broker will provide more margin or leverage, right? So that's what you have to start wrapping your head around. It's not all about stocks. Stocks are a good tool, but there's other assets that will allow you to do more with less. Options, futures, Forex, even cryptos, all right? But you have to be safe about it because margin can blow up in your face if you're not using proper risk management, all right? But it's not complicated. It's not. And really, it's a must, right? Mr. Green has 3 musts. One is you have to have an institutional order flow strategy with proper risk management. That's one. 2, okay, is you have to be able to use margin, period. And 3, you have to be able to use leveraged asset classes, all right? Those are my 3 musts. If you want to be a professional trader and investor and someone who has a consistent stream of revenue, it's a must. It doesn't matter if you learn from us or somebody else, it's a must, okay? Success, just take yourself outside of trading and investing. Successful people use other people's money, period. That's it. That's all I'm talking about right now. Is there a cost for that? Of course there is, right? If you mortgage a house, which most people do, is an interest rate. They're not doing it for free. But see, that's when we start diving into the consumer mentality. So there's, in my belief system, there's 2 types of people in this world. There's businessmen and women. That's one group. And then there's consumers. The world is mostly made of consumers, all right? That's why there's a lot more poorer and middle-class people than rich people. Consumers always think, oh, my God, Mr. Green, how much is that going to cost? Is that going to cost me to do margin? Yeah, there's a cost. But the upside kills the cost, all right? So businessmen and businesswomen think upside first, and then they think expense second. But if you have expense in your mind first, you're never even going to get to see what the opportunity is, all right? So just real simple today, all right? Do more with less. Do it safe, all right? If you don't know how to do it, okay, that means you're still very, very new. Even if you do know how to do it, you're probably still very, very new if you're watching this. We always invite you to come to TradePhantoms.com, all right? I'm one of the Phantoms. You can go to www.tradephantoms.com. You can enroll for a complimentary class. Check out what we have to say. There's no promises or guarantees in life, especially this business, because this business is very complicated. But it's doable if you have realistic expectations and a decent timetable and the right training and the right mindset. I talk about mindset a lot. All right. Come check us out. All right. The next one that we have, I believe, is Thursday. Tomorrow, which would be Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mr. Black will be teaching that. I'll be in the house to answer questions, so on and so forth. You're gonna learn a lot. You might decide to continue on with our programs. You might not. I don't know. We might not think you're a good fit. That's okay too, right? Or we might think you're a great fit and you might not want to continue on. If you don't, you don't. You still get a lot out of the class. It's a great way to get you going no matter where your skill level's at. All right. So like I said, you can go to TradePhantoms.com, just click on register for free class. You'll get an email link, etc., so on and so forth. And that's it. Everybody have a great day. Be safe. Trade safe. Mr. Green, I am out. Peace.